Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a UPS up on macOS. I'll be doing this with an APC UPS on macOS 26, but the process will be similar for other UPSs and versions of macOS. The first thing you'll need to do is connect the signal cable to a USB port on your Mac and then the other end into the data port on your UPS. If you're on a desktop Mac, you'll see the battery icon appear on the right side of the menu bar. This will normally be there if you're on a MacBook. Clicking on the icon, it'll show you that there's a UPS connected and what the battery level is. The UPS should also appear in system information under both power and USB. With it showing up correctly, the UPS settings are configured in the energy section in system settings. No additional software needs to be installed, but that might depend on your UPS. Once you're in the energy section, you can see the UPS level at the top and a button to configure the UPS options. Clicking on UPS options, there are 3 settings that you can configure in there. Which one you use is up to you. Personally, I opted for shutting down when the UPS level is at 25% or below. This will give me more than enough time to save everything and shut down my Mac. To confirm the settings, click Done. And that's all there is to setting up the UPS on a Mac. Now, in terms of what will happen when the UPS loses main power, the first thing you'll notice is that the UPS will beep. After that, a warning message will appear on the screen, warning that the system is now on UPS battery power and that you should save your documents and shut down. This will be the only visual warning you will get. Once the UPS battery is below 25%, or whatever threshold you set, the system will shut down. I hope that was of use for you. If you got value from this, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.